Hello guys, what's up? My name is Prasanit Kapse and I'm from Chandrapur, Maharashtra. Currently, I'm pursuing my BTech in Vishweshwar and Institute of Technology. I created this channel to improve my communication skills as it is very important for everyone, not only for engineer and every branch and in every sector. The English has become so much useful. Um, okay to improve it and work on it, I created this channel. My main motive is to improve my communication skills. Okay, and I found this way of interacting with YouTube and other peoples is a very good way of improve my communication skills. Um what I so what happened is, I decide every day to work on it, but it's not possible for me. Okay, and it get be postponed. Okay, so I today I decided to create this channel and to work on it. Okay, so those who want to improve their communication can join with me, and we will learn together. On this channel I will be sharing what I learn, or what I learn new thing to improve my communication skill daily. Okay, so I was searching on YouTube. As you can see, I'm speaking or many times while talking. Okay, so to get rid of this, I search on YouTube and Google. How can we get? So I get lot of videos, but I didn't understand anything. Okay, they were saying, ki- run in your mind that while speaking, how much time you speak. So if while speaking, if we do these kind of things, our conversation become so much drastically bad. Okay, so if we speak many times while speaking, so this is what people get bored, or they don't get interested to talk with us, as they start counting how many times we speak, yes, or anything. Okay, so I want to share one incident with you. Is that when I was in school, till 10th, there was one my ma'am who used to say as no many times. So the conversations become while explaining the geography. She was our geography teacher. Okay, so geography, and she was teaching many subjects. Okay, so she was speaking as no many times. So we used to know what we do. We used to count that as no many times. So we found that in a one class, in 1 hour, she used to speak 50 or many times as no. Okay, so this is very bad thing to speak yes, no, or like that, not okay. So we should not do that. But while speaking, if we didn't remember what we have to speak, so this kind of situation arise. What I think is that if we have a proper mindset to what we speak, and uh, then this and will not come, definitely. Okay, so today, on this channel, I have not decided what I have to speak. Whatever in my mind come, I'm going to speak. Okay, so that's why I'm doing many times. Okay, so what the main reason what I think is that we should have a proper goal what we have to speak. We should decide in our mind, and like that we speak. So this will definitely reduce your problem saying okay. But I will do okay, sorry for that. So that's for today. Thank you. And one thing more I want to speak is that those who want to speak English or learn English with me can join this page, join this channel, and those who know English can help us in comments, or in any other thing. And those who found that whatever mistake I do while speaking, just let me know. I will definitely improve it. I'm working on it, and on the daily basis I am trying to learn new things, and how can I improve and become more fluent in English. Okay. uh, so thank you for watching this video.